Jane Dunnewold is here to tell us all about your creative rebel. Is that what we're talking about?
Yeah, in a way. I want to continue the conversation about archetypes, which are those universal symbolic patterns we've talked about, you and I, a couple times in the past. And I want to talk about the rebel, because the rebel is in each of us. And here's how. You know it's in you.
I'm bad to the bone is
there
what
you
I
are.
feel.
I see that about you. But we've all got a rebel, and the rebel is the part of us that as we mature, we all know about the teenage rebelliousness, right? Well, that rebel is what allows us to leave our parents and move out on our own and develop our own lives and et cetera, et cetera. But we can also use the rebel when it comes to the creative process.
Well, how do we do that?
Well, the rebel is the part of you. Maybe you don't know it's in there. Maybe it got tamped down. Sometimes that's a problem. We're going to bring that rebel back out and engage with it, because we can use the rebel to protect our time and our resources so that we can go into the studio, whether it's the kitchen or it's this table here, wherever it is, we can use the rebel to say to ourselves, we deserve this. We deserve to have some time to make.
Okay, so you're saying what I need to do is sort of dig into myself and find that person who's brave enough to speak up and to say, this is my creative time and you can't touch it. This is my creative budget. This is my creative space. Am I getting this?
Yeah, you're getting it. And it's as simple as thinking to yourself, do you have a routine that you always do before you allow yourself the joy of being creative? I can't let the cat box go, but I can let the dishes sit in the sink.
Oh,
if it gives me 10 more minutes,
the dishes sit in
yeah,
the sink.
exactly. And you can use it. I can call you up and say, oh, Julie, let's go to lunch. And instead of saying, you think you're going to hurt my feelings. Oh, I can't go, Jane. I want to go to the studio. You can say, I have a date with my rebel, and I can't break it.
It's an appointment that you can't break. I love this idea. And I hope that you will tap into your inner rebel and make time to get into your studio.